Hey everyone! Ever wanted to create images like these? You don't need a $3,000 graphics card. I'll show you how to create these realistic AI influencer images using RunPod. Make sure to use my sign-up link below for bonus credits. Let's get started. First, open RunPod page in your browser. Once the page loads, click on the Get Started button. This will take you to the RunPod website where we can choose and deploy our GPU pod. On the Deploy a Pod page, scroll down to see the available GPUs. For this tutorial, we're going to select an RTX 5090 GPU. It offers 32 GB of VRAM. In the Pod Template Overrides dialog, we'll increase the disk space. Change the container disk from 30 GB to 200 GB. Do the same for volume disk, increasing it from 50 GB to 200 GB. Under Expose Ports, we'll add 8188 to the existing 888 port. Scroll down and click Deploy on Demand to start your pod. The pod will now begin deploying. This might take a few moments. Once it's ready, you'll see a Connect tab with HTTP services. Click on the Port 888 HTTP service link. Once JupyterLab loads, open a new terminal. We'll start by cloning the ComfyUI repository. Type the commands on the screen or just go over to ComfyUI official GitHub repository and copy-paste the commands for installation. It is plain and simple as just copy-paste and pressing enter. After ComfyUI is cloned, navigate into its directory using the commands you see in the video right now. Now, create and activate a Python virtual environment. Next, install the required packages for ComfyUI. While those install, let's prepare for the ComfyUI Manager. In the JupyterLab file browser, navigate into the ComfyUI Custom Nodes directory. Open another new terminal in this directory. Now, clone the ComfyUI Manager, same procedure as with cloning and installing the ComfyUI. Now we are installing the custom node called ComfyUI Manager. You can also find the official GitHub page from ComfyUI Manager and follow installation commands as shown here. Once cloned, navigate into the Manager's directory. Then, install its requirements. By using pip install R requirements text file, as you can see. Press enter. Go back to your ComfyUI tab. You should see the ComfyUI Manager pop up. Click Update ComfyUI. A message will confirm that ComfyUI has been updated. Click Confirm to restart the server. After the server restarts, reopen the ComfyUI Manager. We need to install some missing custom nodes for our workflow. Click Install Missing Custom Nodes. A list of nodes will appear. Search for and install ComfyUI GGGUF. Click Install, select Latest from the version dropdown and click Select. Once both installations are complete, click Restart and Confirm to reboot the server one last time. Now that ComfyUI has restarted with the necessary nodes, let's adjust our workflow. Next, observe the 12.2 high noise and 12.2 low noise models nodes, both using Unit Loader. Connect the model output from the 12.2 high noise Unit Loader to the model input of the left K-Sampler Advanced node. Now we'll add another LORA Loader Model Only node. Drag it from the Nodes menu and place it between the High Noise LORA and the Case Sampler Advanced on the right. Connect the model output of the Load LORA node, High Noise LORA, to the model input of this new LORA Loader Model Only node. In this example, I used my own custom-trained LORA character models. Now that our workflow is set up, let's generate our first image. Click the Run button at the bottom of the screen. The workflow will process, and after a short while, you'll see a beautiful AI influencer image in the Save Image node. Looks great, right? Let's try generating another image. Okay guys, that would be it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it and that you will share your own opinion and perhaps your own work as well. Also, make sure if you want to support my ongoing research and future tutorials, make sure you click my RunPod registration link below. It gives me a small amount of boost every time you register using it. If you liked this video, please hit that subscribe and like button, and I hope I will see you in another video. Thank you.